All right, day 2. We're back at the beach. And just to continue on that topic I was talking about yesterday about all the noise out there and how there's more and more every day and how things are ramping up substantially with AI coming into play, and it's only going to get worse, and it's kind of going to make us into more efficient consumers, or hopefully more efficient creators. So one of my main working theories is that if we can focus on creating more than we consume, then we're heading in the right direction. And in a way, I'm trying to use my life as an example to prove that theory. Going back to what I was saying yesterday about comfort and being in uncomfortable zone, I think one of the big mistakes that we're making is constantly seeking comfort and constantly seeking to consume more stuff. And that has kind of put most of us into a state of just going through life without even thinking about what it is that we actually want, or what our purpose is here. Our purpose in life, in my opinion, is to grow, to evolve, and if we're constantly seeking to be comfortable and to consume constantly, then we're not really growing. We're not really evolving. Coming back to the idea on limiting beliefs, it's actually pretty wild that we can choose to be different. We don't have to be the same way we've been for all our lives. We can choose to change, and I think many people don't realize how many choices they actually have. So what I try to stay away from is my thoughts bouncing all around and talking about many different things, and I've sort of failed at that this morning. So a lot of different ideas I just said, but coming back to just the one overall theory again, that I think we should be focusing on what we can create and what we can give to this world rather than what we can take and get and consume. And the more we focus on that, the better everything will be in your own world and in the worlds of the people around you. And we all have something unique to give, and finding it is not necessarily easy. I've spent years now just searching and refining those answers, and in a way this is just another beginning of something that has been happening for many years. I appreciate everyone who commented on my video yesterday. Many people said they didn't feel like I was a bad communicator, and I appreciate that, but at the same time, I know I'm not communicating what I have in my head as clear as I want. So there's still a level that I need to reach when it comes to that, and I need to keep showing up here and keep practicing and keep refining those thoughts, and eventually in time I will hopefully get fairly decent at this. So more coming soon. Thanks for your time.